So today, because I'm up at the cottage, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. And yes, I'm walking, so I'm not looking at the camera the whole time. I'm going to do a science experiment. So, like any experiment, I'm going to explain my hypothesis as well as my reasonings for doing this study. So, my reasoning, or what it is. So I've been watching a lot of Supernatural recently, and in it, you know, when they see a ghost, they have to salt and burn the bones. And I was like, okay, cool, whatever. But then I remembered something. Because I took science in grades 9, 10, and 11, we always did this one experiment where you would put a whole bunch of salt onto a popsicle stick and light it over a Bunsen burner. And I was like, wait a second, in all of those experiments the fire would turn green. So why isn't the fire in Supernatural green? Because of the salt, right? So I'm going to do an experiment. And I'm pretty confident that this is going to work. My hypothesis is that the fire should be green in the show. And I think that they should change it and make it green, because that would also just be so much cooler. So let's head over to the experiment. Oh, for today's experiment, the first thing you're going to need is a body. Preferably a dead body. It would be nice if it was decomposed too. That's going to take a while though, so we'll just use some logs. The second thing you're going to need is some table salt. And the third thing is a can of gas. This is empty right now, and it is actually a coffee can, but I'm going to fill it about halfway with gasoline because I would assume that's about how much is in a can of gas. So it rained between takes, but hopefully the gasoline will light. And that should be okay. So because of the rain, we're adding paper towel to it, just so that it'll burn a bit better. We'll see how this goes. So we're gonna put the gasoline on first.
Okay, put your salt on.
Salt.
Yep.
Okay, so it turns out we're not going to use the entire box of salt. Fail! So clearly that didn't work. Fire is not green. Figured out why. Apparently it's just because of how strong the gasoline is. It overpowers the salt, so the fire is red. Man, I'm disappointed. Oh well, we had fun with fire today. I hope you guys are having a good week. And I'll post more stuff from my cottage tomorrow, or next Tuesday, but I wanted to make a note that I'm going camping next Tuesday, so I'm going to be out in a forest, in a tent, for like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I probably won't be able to post until Thursday, unless I finish it early and have somebody else upload it for me. So we'll see how that turns out. So I'll see the rest of you later on this week. And maybe, or maybe not, I will post on Tuesday. Alright, see ya!